Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan selamat sejahtera. Nama saya Nur Alia Syafiqah dan kawan saya Vigneswari, Turgatevi dan juga Nurul Syahidah. Hari ini kami nak membentangkan untuk problem based task kursus Ossa ataupun Open Source Server Administration. So kami diberi masalah ataupun problem iaitu di mana syarikat Senang Enterprise dan kami memegang jawatan sebagai IT System Administrator untuk configure mail server untuk enterprise untuk kegunaan communication antara di dalam company. So kami required create account for each employee dan juga yang untuk membolehkan mereka send and receive email. So saya akan terangkan untuk introduction. So dekat company Senang Enterprise ni kami decide untuk guna mail server supaya adanya communication antara employee di dalam company ni. So kami akan guna server untuk enterprise seperti mana yang telah ditetapkan. Di mana server for enterprise ni bermaksud ataupun dikategorikan sebagai komputer yang store atau menyimpan program-program sebagai serving collective need untuk enterprise, which include many user and department. So dia boleh disimpan user-user yang banyak dan disertakan department. So task kami adalah untuk configure mail server dan juga create account untuk setiap employee yang ada di dalam company ni. Dan kami juga perlu memastikan connection antara user-user di dalam company ni exist. So bila mereka nak send ataupun receive email, tidak akan berlakunya gagal lah ataupun fail. Kami akan gunakan Linux based operating system iaitu Ubuntu. So kami juga akan configure dalam email tu kami akan configure MUA mail user agent, MTA mail transfer agent dengan MDA mail delivery agent. MUA adalah mail client program di mana ini adalah satu part di mana user boleh lihat dan gunakan untuk send ataupun receive email. Manakala MTA pula dia generally dia adalah akan lakukan routing and transfer the email between usership atau pertengahan lah. MDA pula adalah di mana email akan, bila email sudah sampai di tempatnya, ia akan berhenti dan tidak akan bergerak ataupun tidak akan go any further. MTA akan bagi kepada MDA dan MDA akan letakkan, dia put it as a incoming mailbox. So kami akan configure postfix dan devcode dalam email ni. Kami juga akan try untuk testing antara user untuk memastikan yang configuration ni selesai dan complete lah. So itu saja untuk saya untuk introduction. Seterusnya saya akan bagi kepada kawan saya.
My name is Durga Devi and I would like to continue about the configuration of email server for the enterprise. First step is to log in and update your server using sudo apt get update command to update the machine. Next step is to configure DNS server that we use postfix, and for that we need additional tools. So we need to install we need to install bind9 with the command of sudo apt install bind9. Third step is using sudo nano /var/cache/bind/db test command to configure var cache db.test, which is need to create a new zone, and to do this we need to create new file with zone information, which we can see in this screenshot. Step 4 is adding new zone to bind configuration. Before we are enabling a newly created zone, it is necessary to check the configuration of the file with the use of this command, which is sudo name checkzone ubuntu.com /var/cache/bind/db.test. So it will show you the zone ubuntu.com loaded serial 1. So this is the command, and then now we can add our new zone to the bind configuration file. To do this, we need to run this following command, and after running that command we need to add the new zone. this is a zone we just added. Step 5 is configuring edz slash bind slash name dot config dot option. So after you enter the sudo nano command, you will get into this nano page, and in this file it is necessary to uncommand the forward line and include the Google DNS, which is 8.8.8.8. For that we need to simply remove the slash symbols, the slash symbol which was previously having, but in this screenshot we have already removed it. So the next step, which is step 6, we need to restart the bind. To restart it, we should use the sudo systemic l restart bind 9 command to restart the bind.
Next, I'm Vigneswari, daughter of Mukan here from class DDTN for A. So today I would like to present about post-week installation, dovecode installation, and also testing for both installation. Okay, so first, to install postweek, we should use the command sudo apt install postweek. During installation, we will be asked to configure the package. On the first screen, choose the option Internet Site and click on OK. Then we have to enter the name of the server, as you can see here, system mail name. In this case, we use ubuntu.com and hit OK. For the postweek, it will set up its own extra setting. As you can see, the host name is Durga Devi. Same as the root and postmaster mail recipient, and other destination to accept mail for is the same as host name, which is Durga Devi also. You can see at the localhost, the local domain, localhost here. And my network would be the server local network, which is 127.0.0.0/8. Others are all the default setting. Okay. After that, we have to add user to the group mail using the command sudo usermod ag mail $sign in bracket who am I. Okay. This must be done because in Ubuntu 18.04 only users who are in the mail group can make use of this utility. Then we need to set a password to the newly created user using command sudo user add -m -g mail -s/bin/bash/ our user, which is user1. Then we need to set a password to the newly created user using command sudo password our user1, our user. Then we enter the new password and retype the password to confirm it. And then a pop-up message will show saying that password updated successfully. Okay, next. To get dovecode installed, run the command sudo apt install dovecode -core, dovecode -pop3d, and dovecode -imapd. Then it will ask for password to prompt it. Just give it the server password and you could install. When prompted whether to accept the package that will be downloaded and installed, type yes. Just type yes. Once the installation is complete, you can stop, start, and enable the service using the command sudo systemctl stop dovecode to stop the system, sudo systemctl start dovecode, which is to start the dovecode system, and sudo system enable dovecode. Enable command enables the service to automatically start up every time the system boots up. Okay, next. Dovecode main configuration file is located at /etc/dovecode/dovecode.conf. So, Run the command sudo nano etc/dovecode/dovecode.conf in text editor to open its default configuration file. It will, after you give this command, it will go to the text editor, nano text editor, as you can see here. Then make changes at line 30, uh, which is listen equals to star, comma, double colon, and save the file. So, okay. This is to specify the IP address that Dovecode can listen on using the listen command. Um, and also for all IPv4 address, use the wildcard value, which is the star sign, and also to represent IPv6 we use double colon. Okay. Besides, Dovecode also support IMAP, POP3 and few others. So we can enable all the above protocol using the command protocol equals to IMAP, POP3, POP3s, IMTP as given in as given here, as you can see here. Moreover, the mail location can be configured using the command sudo nano /etc/devcode /conf.d/10 negative mail.conf. Okay. At line 30, change the mail dir, which is mail underscore location equals to mail dir double colon symbol negative symbol / mail dir. Okay. Lastly, we should edit and save your changes. Okay. Last but not least, um, now to prove that we just did all the configuration on a postfix and dovecode, we should send and receive an email from the terminal. To do this, we should install the Maulitus package using command sudo apt install Maulitus. Okay, then we should then um, we should we send an email to the other email account user named user1. Type in the subject and the message. CC is the message, our message is hello, and our subject is test. After that, to start writing an email, enter the following command, which is we should enter the before that we should enter the command mail user1 at ubuntu.com, which is our server, and then we should add the subject and also the message. And now we can log into another user and check the mail utility. Upon opening the another mail user, yeah, we have received the message saying that you have new mail in /var/mail/turkadevi, which is our server, terminal server. And the message comes like this. As you can see, to which is user1 at ubuntu.com, and the message would be hello at from the our server Durkadevi, and also the subject is test, and all other detailed default messages. So that's it. Now we can send email from our very own email server to another server as well. That's it from me. Thank you.
Okay, conclusion. Companies like enterprise manage to configure an email server and create an account for each employee who took on employees at this company that ensure that communication between user and was available. By doing this, employees no longer have to use manual method to send and retrieve email without file. We also have email configure to have a mail user agent MUA, MTA mail forwarding agent, and MDA. With this, there is not need to worry if the employee is not available, unable and to retrieve or send email at the employees or customer. Senang enterprise company properties to use email and with the IT communication between the team and with the customer will case. Okey. Pelayan email ni adalah merupakan bahagian yang penting dalam perniagaan dan infrastruktur dan menjaga kesihatan dan berfungsi sebaik mungkin untuk keutamaan dalam pasukan IT. Email ni juga dia mampu untuk menyimpan surat masuk yang untuk diedarkan kepada pengguna tempatan dan menghantar imej keluar. Untuk configure email ni kami mempunyai mail server agent, iaitu mail pengguna agent pengguna email, MTA agent penghantar email dan MDA agent pemaju email. Dan tidak perlu risau lagi jika pekerja tidak dapat menerima atau menghantar email kepada majikan dia ataupun pelanggan dia. Penggunaan mail server amat mudah, tetapi ia agak susah untuk diuruskan. Kemudian dalam sebuah syarikat seperti Senang Enterprise, ia sangat berguna untuk mempunyai pelayan email yang telah dikonfigure dan berfungsi. Terdapat juga banyak cara memperbaiki dan mengekalkan pelayan email, dan ini adalah proses yang memerlukan masa dan terus berkembang. Okay, this is a reference yang telah rujukan yang telah kami dapati untuk membuat PBT dan juga email server. Okay, sekian daripada kami. Terima kasih.